Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to solve Snapchat support code SS06. In order to start the process, open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Then tap on Chat. Now refresh your chat page. Then go back to the main menu and hold the Snapchat application. Now tap on App Info. Here tap on Storage Usage. After that, tap on Clear Cache. Now open your Play Store. Then search for Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. Here you need to update your Snapchat application. Your problem has been solved. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.